At last, the man behind the US Navy's wildest patents has spoken. His name? Dr. Salvatore Cezar Pais, an aerospace engineer with ideas so revolutionary they sound like science fiction. But he insists they're real. Dr. Salvatore Cezar Pais is the brilliant mind behind several groundbreaking patents, including one for a compact nuclear fusion reactor and another for a revolutionary hybrid aerospace-underwater craft, both of which bear a striking resemblance to the mysterious flying UFOs that Navy pilots have famously spotted during their encounters in 2004, and again in the years 2014 to 2015. These sightings have sparked widespread intrigue and speculation. These patents stretch the limits of science and imagination. But here's the twist. The Navy's own chief technology officer told the US Patent Office that the technology is real, and some of it is already being tested. At the heart of it all is Pais's design for a compact fusion reactor. Fusion, the process that powers the sun, has been humanity's dream for decades. Cheap, limitless energy, no meltdowns, and no nuclear waste. So how does it work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of fusion technology. It starts with something called a dynamic fusor, a groundbreaking device that plays a crucial role in the fusion process. These cone-shaped devices spin and vibrate inside a plasma chamber, creating intense magnetic energy fields that are essential for the fusion reaction. Under extreme heat and pressure, gases like deuterium and tritium fuse together, releasing colossal amounts of energy, which could potentially power our future. Pais is confident in his inventions. In his words, the fact that my work was accepted in a prestigious journal like IEE Transactions on Plasma Science speaks volumes. But not everyone's convinced. Experts call it a leap of faith, suggesting the tech is unproven. One even said Pais may have drunk the Kool-Aid of bad science. Still, questions remain. Despite numerous sightings and reports, the mystery persists. Are these patents an effort to reverse engineer technology from UFO sightings? Could they hold the key to unlocking advanced propulsion systems? Or could these UFOs actually be real-world tests of Pais technology? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new era in aviation? Are we closer to the truth? With each new piece of evidence, the puzzle becomes more intriguing. Leave your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your theories and insights. Are these inventions the real deal, or just wild ideas? The line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these fascinating developments.